Welcome to Pearl Roots. Sri Lanka is a tropical paradise, home to lush landscapes, rolling hills, and some of the most breathtaking waterfalls in the world. Today, we're taking you on a journey to discover the top 10 most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka. From towering cascades to hidden gems, which one will be your favorite? Let's dive in. Our first stop is Bambarakanda Falls, the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka at 263 meters. Located in the heart of Badula, this waterfall is surrounded by pine forests and rolling hills. Next is Diyaluma Falls, famous for its natural infinity pools at the top. At 220 meters, it's perfect for adventurers looking for both beauty and thrill. A must-visit waterfall is Dunhinda Falls, known for its misty veil that creates a magical atmosphere. Visitors love capturing this waterfall at sunrise for unforgettable photos. Hidden near Nuwara Ella, Bomburu Ella is one of the widest waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Surrounded by lush forests, it feels like stepping into a secret paradise. Near Ella town, Ravana Falls is famous among tourists for its stunning cliff drop and legend of King Ravana. It's easily accessible and perfect for a scenic stop. Dubbed the Veil of the Valley, Devon Falls is a scenic cascade near Talawakele. Its narrow streams fall elegantly into a deep gorge, offering a peaceful escape. Known as the Little Niagara of Sri Lanka, St. Clair's Falls is a must-see waterfall for nature photographers. Its wide flow and surrounding greenery make it a true spectacle. Located in Maskalia, Laxapana Falls stands at 126 meters and offers stunning panoramic views. It's part of Sri Lanka's hydroelectric heritage, adding an interesting twist to its beauty. Along the Kandy Nuwara Ella Road, Ramboda Falls is a scenic gem. Its tiered cascade is perfect for photography and gives travelers a glimpse of Sri Lanka's lush central highlands. We visit Bopath Falls, a unique leaf-shaped waterfall located in Ratnapura. Its distinctive form makes it one of the most photographed waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka truly is a land of waterfalls, each with its own charm and story. From towering heights to hidden jungle gems, these 10 waterfalls offer unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Which one would you love to visit first? Comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this journey through Sri Lanka's waterfalls, like, share, and subscribe to Pearl Roots for more travel adventures. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.